Hey guys, it's Bats here. I wanted to go ahead and thank you for clicking on the video first off, and I ask that you like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel grow a whole lot more, and then it also helps us bring more quality content to you guys, so I can stop using this green screen back here and bring you to the actual forum shops. What up, you guys? Ace of Bats here, representing Ace of Vegas, and today we wanted to go ahead and do a little something different, so I'm sure you've probably seen my review on MyVegasAdvisor.com. Explored the site a little bit, and I didn't know that they had a blackjack strategy section. They used to have these like free chips you can get for it, but now they don't anymore. But also, it turns out that the guys on MyVegas Advisor actually have a foolproof strategy section, and I thought it would be a good time to go ahead and test that out just to see how well it works. So we're here in the studio in the lab trying to figure that out. I got my brewski over here. Got a little strongbow just because I like a fresh, crispy cider, and I also have, what's the name of the scotch? And I also have a shot of Glenlivet over here. Glenlivet. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll just put it on the screen. There, it's on the screen now. Now you can see it. But anyway, so got those ready. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of playing over here. We're actually going to go through the step-by-step guide as to how to beat MyVegas Blackjack and how to do it. So apparently you have to start from basically zero here. You also have to memorize a chart over here that they provide too. I'm going to go ahead and put a link in the description box below to MyVegas Advisor and the Blackjack strategy. I'm also going to go ahead and post the chart up here too. I think there were a couple little funny things on there, like you can't really surrender in MyVegas Blackjack or anything like that, so you either have to hit or stand, or you have to be decisive, but we'll go ahead and get into that later, the further we get into the video. But right now, just go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's go ahead and get this party started. Okay, so as you can see, I am playing on BlueStacks right now. Actually, this is my emulator, so you can only play this game on a mobile device. So a tablet, an iPhone, an Android phone, something along those lines there, or through Google Play too, but I'm playing it through an Android emulator just because I like to do this, so I'm going to go ahead and get logged in with the Facebook over here. I'm not going to show. Ooh, wish me luck, wish me luck. Let's go. Oh, we gave me a huge stack of chips, 200,000 chips. So this is the first step that they mention on MyVegas Advisor. The first step that they mention is that you get a huge stack of chips when you're out. So I was under 200,000 chips. Apparently at my level they give you a big stack, 200,000 chips. And I'm going to go ahead and collect my bonus over here to see how much I get. It looks like it'll be 10,000 chips. Lovely. Alright, so I'm starting my stack with 210,000 chips here. So we're going to take a little swig. And we're going to play. Now, the game that they do recommend is a single deck blackjack. Don't touch the slots over here. I've talked about this before on the channel. If you're playing the blackjack game, play the blackjack game. Don't play the slots game. Why are you wasting your time? Don't do that. Anyway, let's get that jackpot started over here. So we're going to play the single deck. We're going to get that preloaded. And I left off somewhere around Circus. Alright. So our first stack is to go ahead and pick up our chips. Okay, so we're going to load up the Circus. We completed the first step. First step, pick up the chips. Second step, load single deck blackjack and play according to strategy. So the strategy that they're presenting, just play one hand at a time for now until you can get 20 times your stack. You're shooting for like 4 million. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're taking 50,000 a swing and then doubling that, so it's 100,000 in the center. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and play according to strategy. So we're looking at an 8 versus a 10. A dealer face-up card is a 10. We're not looking at any doubles. There were no splits here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is that 10 versus an 8, I'm going to hit. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, I'm pretty good at it. I know you hit for this hand, but let's just go ahead and check the chart just to confirm. Chart, and lo and behold, you hit. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hit. And I get a card. Okay. So now I have a 15 versus a 10. Riskier play, but let's hit anyway. I'll lose. Oh, I would have lost if I held anyway, so it wouldn't have mattered. So we're going to bet again. Alright, against 12, you want to hit. 19, not much of a choice but to stand. So we stand on that. Oh, and and we win. We double our stack back again. Oh, and I got the last of my collectibles too. So I get a super rank up. I get 3,000 loyalty points for the day. I was not prepared for that. And we're just going to keep moving forward. I just want to go ahead and see if this still works. So we're going to bet again. 100,000. Ooh, against the king. I don't feel comfortable with this, but we have to hit. There's no choice but to hit. And a 13, we have to hit. 18, we got to stand. Oh, it's a push. That's not bad. That's not bad, actually. So we can go ahead and bet again. Ooh, now this is a tough one, because this is a soft 18. And I feel like a soft 18 you usually do want to hit just to get something solid, because you could do a little bit better. You could always get into a solid 19, a hard 19. But let's go ahead and consult the chart anyway. Bring the chart up here. Against a 5, that is one that you want to actually stand. Numerically, you want to stand here. So I'm going to stand. We're going to see what happens. Lost that one. We're going to hit again. Ooh, 15. This might be the end of the streak here, guys. We're going to hit. That's the end of the streak. Okay, so all things considered, not too bad. Let's go ahead and put that last 10k out there just to see how we do. 8 versus an 18. Stand on that. 22. Won that one. Double the bet just for giggles. Stand on that one. Nice. Double the bet again just for giggles. And that's a 3. Yeah, 13 versus a 6. Stand on it. And he busted. Wow. Ooh. I really kind of want to double the bet again just for the fun of it. Let's clear it. And we'll just bet again. We're just going to bet again at 40,000. And we get a couple more loyalty points. That's good. Ooh, 8 versus a 9. Got a hit on that one. Ooh, 11. I'd love to double, but no choice. Got to hit 20. Nice. Let's stand on that. Actually, no, this isn't going too bad. I see where the strategy kind of falls in. So you build your chips back up pretty quickly here. Let's go ahead and bet again, just to see how far we get. Oh, that's a 19. That's a soft 19 versus an 8. I feel like a soft 19 you stand on, but just to confirm, there aren't too many better hands than a soft 19. Soft 19 versus an 8. Yeah, that's an 8, definitely. Don't have my reading glasses on, I'm sorry. That's a stand. It's another good one, okay. Wow. It's not bad at all. Alright, let's double the bet. Back up to 80,000. 15 versus a 2. We stand on that. It's probably going to be a 12. It wasn't a 12. Oh, double that bet too. Look at that. Alright, now do we double again, or do I want to stand on it? Let's go ahead and see. Let's bet again. Ooh, now let's just go ahead and bet on it. Let's bet the 80,000. I'm feeling gutsy. Alright, it's 19, we stand. That's what we do. Nope, we lost, but it's okay. We bet again. Versus an 8, hit. Lost again, that's okay, it happens. Bet. Soft 16, I feel like that's a double. Let's consult the chart. According to the chart here, ooh, soft 16. That's like one of my least favorite hands. Against the 4, though, I guess you double that. But I don't have the money to double, so we're just gonna hit. Ooh, that's a regular 14. That's a stand. And we lost. So that's that, and we ran out of chips. So how'd we do? Well, we definitely got our loyalty points up. I guess it wasn't a perfect game. Didn't double our stack. Probably could have bet a little more reasonably. It's actually not bad at all. Yeah. So I guess you just constantly bet half your stack is what it was, and I probably overshot it there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try again another time to see if I do it right. If I can decrease the bet with the increasing stack and so on and so forth, you know what I mean. So we're actually going to do it right next time, but until then I'll go ahead and we're going to go ahead and take a break.